a woman who wants to build muscle, feel strong, and fuel your body well, today I'm showing you exactly what I eat in a day to make that happen. You'll see how I pack in high-protein meals that support muscle, keep my energy up, and fit into real life as a busy mom. From simple breakfasts to family-friendly dinners, I'll share practical meal ideas that help me stay strong and show up well for the people that I love. Friends, I wasn't gonna film today, but I decided, you know what? We are at home. This is a perfect day to film like basically what I eat in a day and kind of give you some ideas. You know, I'm not big on being in the kitchen. For one thing, last night, oh my goodness, homegirl was having an absolute meltdown while I was trying to cook. We are going through our stage of all her life, basically. Yeah, it has been a struggle, and that was basically what was going on last night. Is she was freaking out because she could not be with me while I was frying up hamburger meat, because you know that's not safe. Tyler took a PTO day yesterday. He was home, so he was trying, bless his heart, to wrangle her. Big sis was home from school at this point. She was trying to entertain her, and it was just, she was not having it. So anyways, all my meals are basically very repetitive, and because of the reason I just told you, they have to be lickety-split, like quick meals, simple. Hopefully this will inspire you, give you some ideas. If you like this type of video, please like and let me know down in the comments, because I will continue to make these in the future. Hopefully this will give you like a new, very simple, did I tell you I like simple and easy? Very simple recipe ideas, very simple meal ideas, but I'm gonna go get my food that I heard just finished, and yeah, we're gonna eat through the day. I need it. Can I have it? Oh, thank you. Let's see where we're at. The most important thing that I'm tracking throughout the day is my protein. So we have almost 7 ounces of chicken, which is great. And then I love to add a whole bunch of salt to this. It just makes it better. And this is, I'm gonna show you the salt that I use, but look at this cute. Are you unhappy? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You wanna be held? Yeah, I told them about this situation. I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. That's what I feel like my life is right now, is picking her up so that she can be happier. And then that song goes through my head. All right, we are very hodgepodgey doing this, but I wanted to show y'all real quick the salt that I use. And yes, she does also have a little bruise on her cheek because she unfortunately accidentally slid into the laundry door, which was not a happy time. So what I use is this Redmond's Real Salt, and it has some amazing minerals that you don't typically find in salt. Extra yummy, healthy, good for you type salt. So 10 out of 10 recommend if you have not tried Redmond's Real Salt. As you can tell by the big, oh my goodness, by the big bag, that obviously we love Redmond. Let's talk about Barbell protein bars for a second, because very exciting news. Barbell started carrying at Target a few new flavors that I had not tried until, well, I tried one yesterday, and then I just tried the other one today. Both of them are delicious, and then I'm gonna show you also, which I mentioned in another video, but I'm gonna show it to you again, my favorite flavor. Do you see yourself? These are the 2 flavors that are exclusively at Target, or you can get them online, of course. But it is this caramel choco soft protein bar situation. Let me see if you can, there we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this has 200 calories and 16 grams of protein. So great, but not like as great as the original barbells that I typically get. Same with this is 210 calories, 16 grams of protein. This one is peanut caramel. Can you see it? Can you see it? There, nice. Okay, so I tried this one yesterday. Woo! This is legit a Snickers. That is exactly what it is. The peanut caramel one is, if you're craving a Snickers, get that one. If you like caramel choco, is kind of a version of a Milky Way, and that one was pretty good. But I have to say, you get way more bang for your buck, and I like this one better is the cookies and caramel one. Yeah, there we go. Cookies and caramel protein bar. This one is 210 calories for 20 grams of protein. So you get a little bit more bang for your buck. I personally like this one a little bit more because it has a crunch to it, along with the same flavors that you're getting in this one. If you're like me and you like a little bit of crunch along with whatever it is that you're eating, your snack, then the cookies and caramel one is going to be your jam. So this morning I've had my pre-workout. I had a little bit of a black cup of coffee, didn't even finish that when I was trying to come alive and get out of bed this morning. Coffee, my pre-workout as I was coming back from dropping off my oldest from school. Excuse you. Did my workout, and then after my workout, I did my BCAAs with my, what is it called? What's the word for it? What is that supplement called? It's totally blanked on me. Oh, creatine. I wanted to say collagen, and I was like, it starts with a C, but I know it's not collagen. I had my BCAAs and my creatine. I ate that, or I drank that while I ate this, and while I was feeding her a protein pancake. And I also want to show y'all my hip, y'all. My hip on the side that she wants to be held. She's a big girl. It is like, it's hippin'. My hip is hippin'. All right, I fix Sayla one Premier Protein pancake that I get from the frozen section at my store. And then I have to buy this on Amazon, but this is fantastic. It is a monk fruit, where are we going? There we go. It's a monk fruit sweetened maple syrup. It is fantastic. I love it. Sayla loves it. It's naturally sweetened, but it's not going to give you the high glucose spike. And so it keeps that sugar low. And yeah, I love this stuff and she loves it too. So I put this on her Premier Protein pancake, which is perfect because this helps soften it for her. So it's even easier for her to eat because her teeth haven't quite come in yet. Her teeth have been very slow coming in. So woke up from a really good nap and use the microwave now because she's up. The microwave is on the same wall that goes into the room where she naps. So I was waiting on that, and honestly, I was really full after my chicken. I didn't even finish my chicken. I had my protein bar and the chicken, and it was more than enough. And some days I find I'm starving. Other days I find like, I'm struggling to hit my protein goal. I made myself this is leftovers from last night. It is taco salad. It's lean ground beef with taco seasoning in it. I have lettuce in there. I have pico and extra cilantro because cilantro is life, y'all. For my fellow Texas girlies, I just finished this off. So if that tells you anything about how much we enjoy this, HEB brand salsa from the Mi Tienda line. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that, but it's salsa taquera. Salsa taquera, I shouldn't even try and say this. And it's medium heat, but it's got that like roasted salsa taste, and it is so yummy. So good. I'm gonna have to get another one now because I just finished it, and then I will be having that with a bag of Quest ranch chips. Like the ranch style flavor is probably my favorite. And then the other one that I just recently tried that was really good, it's just got a kick to it. So if you don't like spicy, that would probably be your jam, but I think it's like chili lime or something like that. It was very good. So I need to get me that one to kind of break up because I typically get the ranch, but I'm gonna have all of that together. And then the other thing I wanted to show you is this Good and Gather brand, which is a Target brand. Good and Gather unsweetened strawberry mango sparkling water. I don't know what it is about the sparkling water. It's unsweetened. The flavor is just fantastic on it. It is stronger, I feel like, than most unsweetened sparkling water. And I have tried other flavors in that brand and they are really good. I just like that flavor the best. So if you haven't checked that out and you like sparkling water, or maybe you don't like sparkling water, you're thinking it needs a little bit more of a boost of flavor, check that one out. That is the best one in my opinion that I have found. So we're going to, I say we, she's not gonna eat this. I'm going to eat this and feed her because we have just about an hour and 20 minutes before it's time to go pick up sister. And mercy lordy, it's already time to start thinking about dinner. So I'm gonna enjoy this now though. I am going to make myself a protein shake drink before we go pick up Miss Hallie. Muscle milk, and then this is the Pro Series, and I like the chocolate flavor. This by far is my favorite. The taste is wonderful. I have tried different things. I like Premier Protein. Their vanilla and their chocolate flavors are great. I especially like their vanilla if I'm using it to bake with. I think their vanilla is pretty good, but this is so yummy. And it is with 2 scoops. It is 50 grams of protein. So boom, bang, bam. That's a lot of protein. That's a lot of protein, say Lala. It is. All right, we're gonna make this and then go get sister. You can go get sister. I really need to put you in real close because you've just been living yeah, good job. You've just been living in a diaper and your PJ top shirt. Mwah. I had all the ingredients to make this chicken dish that we enjoy, and turns out I am missing the key ingredient. So I am going to have to look through my pantry, figure out what we're gonna do. The plan is to have potatoes and chicken tonight, one way or another. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I don't have a lot of ingredients, but I did find a recipe that literally only calls for butter, chicken, and ranch dry seasoning, which I have the ranch dry seasoning and I have the butter, so we are gonna go with that tonight. I will let you know how it goes. Really, I'm thinking you probably can't go wrong with the fact that it's those 3 ingredients. That sounds really yummy, but you never know, so stay tuned. Super simple. These are just, I think they're new potatoes. I have to double check on what kind of potatoes they are, but they're baby new potatoes, I believe. And all I do is I just have a little bit of avocado oil cooking spray and I just do a little spritzy spritz. That way I'm not getting too much oil going on, but it gives it a nice glaze. And then I do end up, which you'll see in a second, I do end up spraying the pan down as well. And then I have my salt and I just give a generous dose of salt and a generous dose of pepper to the potatoes and stir this up and then put it on my baking sheet, and I'm gonna put some foil down, and I'll show you. I like to smash these. I like it because when I smash it, it gives the skin a little bit of a crisp when it cooks up in the oven. This is going to go in the oven in just a second. I'll show you how I take the cup and smash it so that the skin pops off and crisps up. The reason I put it in the Instapot in the first place is because it actually cooks the potato all the way through.
Look at those keepers. Oh, they're coming through. 3 of them.
I know. We didn't have anything coming through, and now all of a sudden we've got 3 busting through at the same time. Margaret Holmes seasoned green beans. They are Italian green beans, and they are real Southern style, as it says on the bottom. I absolutely love these green beans. They are delicious. The only thing about these green beans is you have to watch for, sometimes they have stems still apart in there. So I just kind of, when I'm turning through it, I look through and just kind of see if I see anything that needs to be pulled out that we wouldn't want to eat. I got Mr. Cecito his plate. My plate looks a little bit different. I did measure all of my food out because I'm tracking it, especially the protein. And then I put my green beans in a separate bowl because I didn't want the liquid getting on the rest of the food, and I should have done that for Tyler. I just didn't think about it until afterwards, so sorry Tyler, he's within earshot. And then I have some Chick-fil-A sauce that I'm going to enjoy with my potatoes. It is excellent together. So this is what we are having for dinner. More? Yeah, let's clap for more.
I had to think about it for a second there.
Just stepped inside my bedroom for a second because Hallie and Tyler are watching the Mufasa movie, and it was quite loud. It was an intense scene. I just got back from the walk, and I still have about 400 calories left for the day, and I've already hit my protein goal. So if I hit my protein goal and I have extra calories, then I get to have basically whatever I want, how I can fill in the blank there. What I was feeling for tonight was these Quaker Oat chocolate rice cakes. I love these things. They are so tasty. So I'm going to enjoy quite a few of them because I have quite a few calories left, and I'm gonna go try and catch up on Mufasa. I don't know what's been going on in there. She's getting into the blinds. I did want to tell you the ranch chicken was incredible. Oh my goodness. I will be making that again. Tyler raved about it. It was 10 out of 10, so good and so easy, which is what we love around here. I will definitely be making that again and again and again. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it encouraged you and inspired you with some new ideas of maybe something very simple, because we love to keep it simple around here, that you could have for meals or snacks or whatever. But thanks for hanging out with me today, and please like, subscribe, do all the things, you know what to do. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I hope to see you again in my next video.